Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Y5p and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open settings. And now let's take our screenshot, and to do it, let's just press and hold the power button and volume down button. When this small window appears, that means that we took a screenshot. We can also do a few things with it. So let's press and hold the power button and volume down button again. And when these windows appear, let's just swipe up on it to share it. Or we can take the screenshot again and swipe down on it to take a scrolling screenshot. Basically, it allows us to take a screenshot of the long email or mini. And to stop it, you just tap on the screen. Like that. As you can see, we took the screenshot of whole settings menu. Here you can also edit it, like that. Or you can, once you're done editing it, you can tap save, or you can tap delete to delete it. If you want to edit the screenshot you took, you just need to take the screenshot, tap on this window to enter the editing mode. And let's add something here. Tap save. And now let's check our screenshots in gallery. And here we have our screenshots. And that's how you take the screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.